Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I have been scouring Renogy's site, finding all the best deals going on because I noticed that they're having some insane discounts for their spring savings type sale, and I wanted to bring them to your attention, help you save some money. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, use my promo code Adventure Tech. You can get an additional discount on top of the sale price on this or anything else from Renogy. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to the page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to jump in and take a close look at the eFlex 220 watt portable solar panel, because right now it's over 50% off, which is a crazy good deal, and it is an ideal size solar panel for smaller power stations, DIY solar setups, great for camping and RV and off-grid setups. So the RENOGY eFlex 220 watt portable solar panel is powered by PERC monocrystalline solar cells. They provide 22% conversion efficiency rate, which isn't too bad, pretty consistent among the market. This 220 watt portable solar panel does have that higher efficiency at 22%, which is at the higher end of what you would see with solar panels. I've seen them go as high as 25%, but right around 22 to 23% is about as high as you usually see. And this is foldable, easy to pack and go, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so it's going to last a very long time for you, and easy to set kickstands in the back. Going to be ideal, help this get set up quick and easy for you. Almost as high as you see on the market. They're powered with PERC monocrystalline solar cells that boost this efficiency up to 22%. The IP67 waterproof rating is ideal and I would say essential for any of these, and it's going to last a very long time for you, 10 plus years and 95% transparency, helping to keep the efficiency high, resistant very high heats, and very high flame retardant surfaces. Renogy always rigorously tests their devices and always has really great certifications. Made for the outdoors, you can use these solar panels to charge power stations and batteries wherever you go. So that means you can take power with you anywhere. And since this is foldable, it is ideal to pack and go with you. Super durable, scratch resistant, ETFE film, rugged corner guards. This is going to last 3 times longer than most panels made with PT. So right now, the discount is insanely big at over 50% off. I wanted to bring it to your attention. If you have any specific questions about this solar panel right here, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm glad to help you out with that. Use my promo code ADVENTURETECH. You can get an additional discount on top of the low price already. Use the links in the comments or the description and get over here, get a good deal, and help support my channel, which I always appreciate so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button, and make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.